My name is Samidha. Welcome to this session to naturally fix acidity, bloating, and indigestion. Our digestive system is at the very heart of our energy and well-being. So when acidity, bloating, or indigestion shows up, it not only affects our stomach, but it can drain our mood, focus, and vitality. Today we will flow through yoga asanas and breathing techniques that are designed to calm our digestive fire, support healthy digestion, and release trapped gases. This practice is best done on an empty stomach, wearing something comfortable, and with a relaxed and open mind. And remember, one session can bring relief. But what truly transforms your digestion is consistent practice. So before we start, click and subscribe to our channel to get access to our all yoga videos. So your journey to wellness continues every day. Let's begin. Let's give our body the space to heal from within. Hope you enjoy this session. Begin by lying down flat, raising the right leg 90 degree, sole of the foot flat, and gently bringing the foot down back onto the ground. Repeating the same with the left leg, and with that full awareness in the core, the leg brought back to the ground. We repeat this one leg at a time, complete awareness in the lift and the landing of the leg back onto the ground. Keep your awareness in the breath. Spine flat, lower back pressed into the ground. Chin slightly tucked in. And now with both the feet 90 degree up. And gently together bring the feet back onto the ground. Repeat the same thing once again with complete awareness in the core and breath. Gently squeeze the right thigh into the belly. Lift it straight and slowly land it back onto the ground. This cyclic movement now by pressing the left thigh, raising it, and slowly resting it back onto the ground. Repeat the same thing, the single leg, fold, raise, and land. Make it once again with the left leg. And now both the thighs pressed onto the belly, lifted straight, and gently send back onto the ground. With this, press the thighs, lift, raise, and take it back onto the ground for the final time. Before we conclude with Pawan Muktasan, where we press the thighs, lift the head, trying to get the forehead closest to your knees and hugging the shins. Allow the breath to flow rhythmically and slowly start to land your head onto the ground. And roll up and back on the mat a few times to just get the core more awakened, more integrated. And these forward rolls lets us activate the core Now prepare for the next. By letting the feet go straight, flex the feet and fold that one leg at a time, the right thigh, lifting the head this time and pressing it into the belly. And repeat this with the left thigh pressed into the belly, head up, forehead close to the knee, and then both the thighs together and once again into Pavan Muktasana. Allow the breath to naturally flow without making any alteration. And use this now, the premises for twisting, which lets you release that any stiffness into the abdomen region. With both knees together, twist and let your head be on the opposite side. And you can place your interlinked palms beneath your head to let you keep the shoulders grounded onto the mat and experience this twist, which is intense and meant for release. A second set of twist by placing the right foot on the left knee, twisting on the left, head on the right side, arm opened up straight in line with the shoulder, a sharp supine twist. With left leg straight, flexed. We repeat the same technique by placing the left foot on the right knee, twist on the right side, head on the left, open up the left arm, and let the shoulders be grounded to make the twist sharp. Once again, just allow yourself to lift into the Aukasana, which is once again putting that core through this work of balance. And now gently settle down, preparing for the alternate nostril breath. Folding the first two fingers, seal the right nostril. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left, full capacity, and switch by sealing the left, opening the right nostril. Exhale and release. Inhale through the right nostril. Gently seal the right. Open the left. Exhale to empty out till your belly squeezes. And inhale through the left, full capacity. Seal the left. Open the right. Exhale, empty out. Inhale your full capacity. Seal the right. Open the left. Exhale that every breath out of the system. Inhale with your full awareness. Seal the left. Open the right. Exhale. Inhale. Seal the right. Open the left. Exhale and empty out. Inhale and release. Preparing for the next, which is Bhastrika, where you inhale and exhale with force, spine upright. And at the end of the first round, you should feel a little bit of lightheadedness. And allow yourself to raise the arms on an inhale and bring them down on an exhale with the speed that you can sustain for 15 to 20 such breaths. On completion of round 1, just relax yourself. Feel the after effect and prepare for the second round once again. And inhale and exhale with force. This would typically come with practice. So be patient with yourself. 3 rounds of at least 15-20 breaths per round is a good start. The last round, spine aligned, and that inhale and exhale both with force, both with that awareness. And allow yourself to just be a part of this without any judgment. On completion of 3 rounds, settle down and let yourself prepare to express your gratitude before we finally conclude the session. Rise up into Vajrasana, arms up, and fold down to surrender in Shashankasana.